chairperson we-National Funeral Business Lifetime Achievement Awards. Ngithanda ukunamukela nonke ngokuba khona kwenu la sizolontsha khona our main event first time ever having ama-awards abangcwabi.
The first National Funeral Business Lifetime Achievement Award aimed to inspire funeral practitioners to elevate their services, uphold ethical standards, and participate actively in community development programs within the community they serve. So far, we are pleased to announce that we have over 50% tickets that have been sold, and we have received 40 nominations from across the nation. Nominations will remain open until Sunday midnight, 30 March 2025.
Bafethu be-media nama-colleagues la ngizoqala nje ngokubonga ukuthi whenever sinicela ukuthi nisondele niyayinenze njalo sengathi ngangayeka-ke ukuza kuthina. Ngiyazi ukuthi when we speak of funerals ikakhulukazi abantu bayithatha into ebhorayo nje funeral, kumbala ukuthi imedia ikwazi ukuthi pay attention to it. We have been persuading you over the years, and yes, we have responded. We must first acknowledge that, and we thank you very much. Sengathi njalo noma thina singasekho mhlambe ngaphambili sekukhona abanye abaholi abasuke bekhona kwi-industry, niqhubeke kanjalo njengoba kade nisenzela nathi. Umuntu uzoqala ngokuthi aveze ukuthi mhlambe where do we come from with ama awards. The core reason for ama awards, the major reason yama award ukuthi si improve an ethical behavior amongst ourselves as undertakers. Uzoqonda ukuthi umuntu mayeshonelwe usuke ene-pain efisa ukudlula kuleso simo as quickly as possible and swiftly as possible. Ebese kuba khona izinto eziyaye zenzeke mhlambe zenziwe ukuthi i-service provider yakhe ayisadeliver as promised. We do acknowledge that siyakwazi kukhona. We would be lying when we are saying abangcwabi akubi khona ikhathi la bengawaphathi khona kahle ama-members of the public noma bewarobha noma futhi nje besebenzisa ipower basuke benayo ngaleso sikhathi, njengokuthi umngcwabi sekuqatshweni ekubamba into encane usebamba umzimba akasafuni ukudedela. So things like those yizo lezi ezenza ukuthi umphakathi ubaleke kuthina. Mangithi ubaleke kuthina ikakhulukazi thina abamnyama, ethical behavior esifuna ukuthi sigqugquzele kubangcwabi. You will note ke ukuthi umuntu azi ukuthi there's a reward at the end of the day, uya perform better. So ngalesikhathi wonke umuntu ebheka ukuthi nami I want to win an award, i-service within the industry itself iya improve and umphakathi uphatheka kahle. So this is the major thing. Asizi ukuzo celebrate ukuthi hayi uyawushaya umngcwabo, no. Asizi ukuzo celebrate ukuthi hey, you've made a lot of money out of ukufa kwabantu, no. We are just here to say good job, well done, keep it up, so that nalaba abancane abalapha phansi bezokwazi ukubuka kulaba abaphezulu ukuthi how is it done ukuthi nami ngifikelele phezulu. I think I've said this, it was 2017, and I said, should we give abangcwabi an opportunity, laba abaphansi, especially abamnyama, you will see a milestone. I said in 5 years, but Ucebolethu did it in few years. After 2017, we marched against isolate abantu abamnyama noma amabhizinisi abantu abamnyama ku-industry, but that has gave birth to the bigger Ucebolethu that we have today. That has gave birth to Abonganda, has gave birth to Owamatole, and many others across the country, about B3, 2 mountains. The list is endless. How did we get there? Is by us standing up for the good. We were able to stand up for the good for us as undertakers. Now, we are standing up for the good for those that we are servicing through these awards. You can't march and say simashela abangcwabi ukuthi abawaphathi kahle ama-customer, so siyamasha yini nabangcwabi bathana ama-customer kahle. You can't do that. So we created the awards for that sole purpose. There are 16 categories. So as a result, ngomhla 6, all the known associations, all the legal associations will be present. Wonke ama-association, you will see them, their presidents coming along with their secretaries to bless this milestone of an event, this prestigious event, the first time ever awards, national awards for abangcwabi. Kungenzeka-ke phela kube khona i-association mhlambe ethize lapha ekhoneni mhlambe lapha eBhambayi esingayazi esingafinyelelanga kuyona. Uma ikhona i-association enjalo, the owners upon the association to come forth sikwazi ukuyi-legitimize nayo ihlale namanye ama-association. Whether i-association inabantu abawu-20 noma abawu-100 noma inabantu abayi-1000 njengale ngiphuma kuyona, it doesn't matter as long as we association and we represent the undertakers, because we want to clean this industry. We want to get rid of fraud. We want to get rid of money laundering that is inside our industry. We want to get rid of drugs that are being transported using our industry. We don't want that in industry. We want a clean funeral industry. Those who are deep into fraud, corruption, money laundering, drugs, they must do it elsewhere, not within our industry. Let no family say, I cannot bury because I have no money. We are here to assist. It's not all and always about money. Yes, we want to have money. Yes, we want to keep the Lamborghinis and the G-Wagons that we are driving, but still, we want to make sure that abantu bakithi bayakwazi ukusizakala ngathi. Ama-award a-national, khona sibe selfish ngoba sifuna ukuba national, asifuni ukuphuma. Le yokuthi wobani abazobethatha. Yes, we do have people abangekho kwi-funeral sector, kodwa kufanele babe kwi-funeral space. Angazi noma ngizwakala kahle. Abangabona abangcwabi kodwa abakhona kwi-space sani sekuzomngcwabo, njengomuntu ophuma kwa-Department of Health, ophuma kwa-Home Affairs, ophuma mhlambe kwa-forensics sakwa-health, forensics, environmental health, abantu abawu-FSCA. Zonke lezi ndawo lezi that has got to do ne-funeral, because akukuhle ukuthi sifike si-award uBhojozi, ngakusasa kuphuma istori esithi uBhojozi akekho in good standing nemithetho ebusa ezomngcwabo, yabona. So siyamphakamisa, uyafa futhi ubulala nathi kanye kanye. So labo bantu basuke khona in that aspect ukuthi basigayide, kodwa mainly abantu abafanele bekwazi ukujaja yilabantu abakwazi umsebenzi abawenza every day. Kungenzeka kuba basa-practice manje noma abadala. Remember ukuthi i-award iyayishintsha impilo yomuntu noma ngabe kubi. Umculi nje mawawina i-award uba busy kunabanye abaculi. So nala kuzokwenzeka lokho ukuthi umuntu ozowina i-award abantu baqale basi-associate more nalo.
For further information or media inquiries, please contact Nhlakanipho Cele at 069 540 4439. We thank you for taking this time to attend this briefing as we officially launch the awards. We will also like to extend our heartfelt thanks to funeral practitioners, government stakeholders, and our sponsors for their contribution and support, which has made this event possible. I thank you.
Celebrating service excellence.